Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Keap email sequences for lead conversion, complete guide step by step clearly.
Begin by logging into your Keap account. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the Marketing tab. Select Email Campaigns from the drop-down menu.
Click on the Create a New Campaign button.
Name your campaign something relevant. Choose Email Sequence as the campaign type. Click Add a Sequence to start building your email series. Set up the first email by clicking on the email box that appears. Write a compelling subject line for your email. Compose the body of the email, keeping your messaging clear and engaging.
Incorporate visuals or links as needed.
Once finished, click Save. Next, set the delivery timing for the email. You can choose to send it immediately or at a specific time. Now, click on the Add Action button to set follow-up emails. Repeat the process, creating additional emails in the sequence. Adjust the timing between emails for optimal engagement. After all emails are set, review the sequence for any errors or adjustments. Test your emails by using the Preview and Test functionality. Make necessary refinements based on the test results. Once satisfied, click Publish to activate your campaign. Now, go to your Contacts tab to segment your list. Select the leads you want to target with this sequence.
Add them to your newly created campaign.
Monitor the performance of your email sequence through analytics. Adjust your emails as needed based on open and click-through rates.
Continue to optimize for better lead conversion over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.